Hey, I'm Steve Magnante here in Bogart, Georgia at the Tony Townley Collection, which we sold on October 24th and 25th, 2025 by Richmond Auctions. Just about 100 specialty cars will be auctioned, and one of them is this 1931 Pierce Arrow 7-passenger Phaeton. Now, in the 1920s and 30s, the three Ps were America's most important luxury cars that consist of Peerless, Packard, and Pierce Arrow. These are built in Buffalo, New York, and this one is a massive example of the breed. Again, 7 passengers, long wheelbase car. And this was sold new to Alta Rockefeller Prentice, who is the daughter of John D. Rockefeller of the Standard Oil dynasty. So some money in these cars. This has been restored lightly. It's a great driver. It's ready to run and be in parades. And this car was, in fact, used in many parades and spent some time at the Hera Museum in Las Vegas, Nevada. And it could be in your museum at some point if you bid successfully. Now, we see on this one the beautiful chrome work, the headlights, the bumpers, and even the Pierce Arrow Archer right here, a piece of sculpture and, of course, artistry of automotive legend. And under the hood here is an 8-cylinder Lycoming flathead. A lot of power and torque to move this car down the road. Massive 11-inch drum brakes all the way around. Cable operated, but again, plenty of brakes to slow this car down from a full trot. And inside, of course, there's room for 2 up front, 3 at the very back, plus 2 more here. The jump seats to fold down when they're not needed. So that's 7 passengers right there. Top comes all the way back. And again, it's a 4-door Phaeton, the best vehicle for being seen in a parade and just really enjoying a summer day with your friends and family. So this car will be auctioned on October 24th or 25th, 2025, and may the best bid win.